Imagine waking up every day with unstoppable energy, ready to crush your goals and take on whatever comes your way. You're someone who doesn't have time to waste. You're putting in the work, fitness, nutrition, everything, yet your energy levels still aren't where they need to be to perform at your best. Does that sound familiar? I get it, it's frustrating when you're doing everything right, but your body isn't keeping up. You're not alone. Many people in high performance environments face the same issue because the supplements they're using aren't delivering. Have you ever wondered why that is? Let me ask you, how confident are you that your supplements are giving you the results you need quickly and effectively? Most generic supplements contain fillers that don't do much for you. What's in the ones you're using right now? Here's something to think about: what happens if your body isn't absorbing the nutrients it needs fast enough. No matter how hard you push, poor supplementation could be holding you back. What could that cost you in performance? What if I told you there's a better way? Our supplements are made with the highest quality ingredients and are designed for maximum absorption so you get the results fast. Doesn't it feel great knowing your body is getting exactly what it needs right when it needs it? Now, imagine the impact on your day to day performance. What would it mean for you to feel stronger, faster, and more focused every single day? Here's the truth: continuing with ineffective supplements could be costing you time and progress. How much longer can you afford to rely on products that aren't delivering? Whether you want to boost energy, improve endurance, or recover faster, our supplements help you perform at your peak. How much more could you achieve if your supplements worked as hard as you do? Don't settle for average, perform at your best every single day. How would it feel to crush your goals knowing your body is fully supported